Control Devices' extensive portfolio of industry-leading products is the direct result of a continuous dedication to innovation. We constantly find new and innovative ways to develop greater quality and efficiency throughout our research and development and manufacturing processes. We engineer, develop, and manufacture cutting-edge solutions in our state-of-the-art facilities located in St. Louis, Missouri. Control Devices is proud to offer products made in America by American workers. It's apparent when you step through our doors that we take a great deal of pride in what we do and who we are, and it's evident in every Control Devices product. Our team is comprised of only the most talented and forward-thinking engineering professionals. We make sure we stay at the forefront of innovation by hiring the most forward-thinking people from the top to the bottom of our organization. Our customers trust us because they trust the people they work with proven solutions and responsive care. Companies of all sizes throughout our industry and the entire world work better because they work with Control Devices. With our efficient processes and rigorous quality control, we ensure that each of our products can perform at its full capabilities, not just sometimes, but every time. Our customers can trust the Control Devices name to perform at the highest level every single day, 7 days a week, 365 days a year. The reason Control Devices has become the most trusted name in the industry is because we make the most trusted products in the industry. Every detail of the manufacturing process is designed, controlled, and supervised by highly trained, highly skilled, and highly talented professionals.